Good day, students. Welcome to another episode of School on Air. So, I'll be your instructor for Basic Science and Technology for GSS 3. So, this will be the second part of our topic on processing of materials, rubbers, and plastics. We talked about the introduction of plastics and rubber. We said rubber is divided into two: artificial rubber and natural rubber, whereby plastics are also divided into two: thermosetting and thermoplastic plastics. So we said thermosetting plastics are the ones that cannot be reversible when they are set, and when you are making them by adding intense heat and under pressure. So thermoplastics can be reversible, unlike thermosetting plastic. So let's go to the topic for today, which is the methods of processing rubbers and plastics. So the different methods of processing rubbers and plastics. So let's go to the first one, which is the processing of plastic. So production processes of plastic. A, for plastic, injection mold. This is a method of forming an object by means of injecting a very hot molten plastic material into a mold through a plugger. So this process is by injection mold. So you make a mold and you inject the liquid plastic into it. So when it cools, it will form a solid one that can be used as our plastics, like our container for bottled water or other containers. So injection mold, this is a method of forming an object by means of injecting a very hot molten plastic materials into a mold through a plugger. So this is very common in plastic industry. It is a very common process in plastic industry whereby they use injection mold. It is a method used to form chairs, tables, bowls, and buckets. So plastic chairs, plastic tables, plastic bowls, plastic buckets, this process of injection, that is, you inject the very hot molten plastic through a plunger to the mold, thereby making a replica of the mold, like our plastic chairs, plastic table, plastic bowl, and plastic bottle. So it is the most common process of making plastic in our plastic industry. So the other process, which is B, is calendering. So calendering, or what we call calendering, it is the method of producing rubber and plastic. This is a method used in the process of continuous sheets of thermoplastic materials by pressing the material in paste position between the closed and the heated roller. So like we said for glass in our other episode of processing of material under clay, ceramics, and plastic, we said we can make sheets of glass. This process is similar for plastic, whereby you make sheets of plastics by rolling it on a roller and producing it in sheets. So unlike the injection mold, this method is used for the process of continuous sheets of thermoplastic materials. So they are made up of thermoplastic materials. So since they are reversible and they are soft and they are produced under high intensity of heat and pressure, thermoplastic materials can be used to produce continuous sheets. So this process is similar to that one of glass by pressing the material in paste position. So it's like a toothpaste that we paste on our brush. So you'll be pasting the liquid or the molten plastic on a surface and between the closed and heated roller. So the roller will be the one spreading the paste out and making it into a continuous sheet of plastic. So this process is called calendering.